How to forget someone you love? A good question. I can give you some tips and promise that if you follow these tips, you'll forget that someone. I don't want to do that. I'm going to share my experience. Before that, let me ask you something. Can you forget someone you really love? No. You can't forget the one you're always thinking about, the one you always keep looking for, the one you're living with in your dream, the one who has given so much memories, the one who is always there in your mind. You can't forget the one who comes first in your mind when you wake up and comes last in your mind when you go to sleep. It's not that easy to throw someone away from your heart, start a new life and pretend like nothing happened. You can't do that because whenever you try to stop yourself from thinking about someone, you will end up thinking about him a lot than before. Then what should you do after breakup? You can learn to live without him. You can learn to replace him. Yes, you can. Dear, I can understand what you're going through now. I can feel your pain. I have been there. Someone was there in my life. I loved him so much. He was my everything. But he left me without even saying a word. I was feeling like I lost a part of myself. I felt so empty without him. I was thinking like I had no purpose for my life. I used to think a lot. I used to blame myself. I used to be upset all the time. I spent my whole day checking up his DP status last seen and saving his post in social media. I didn't have control over my thoughts. I didn't have control over my actions. Days went on. Then I decided to take revenge. Revenge is not wrong. Revenge is not actually wrong when it doesn't harm anyone. Do you know what the best revenge after breakup is? Move on. It's easy to say, but very hard to do. It will take some time, but you can. You need a lot of mental strength. I used a secret mantra to stay away from him. First, understand the fact. It's a common experience. So many people have been through breakup. You're not the only one facing it. So many people have faced that emotional pain. And they have successfully moved on to be a stronger and better person. Trust me, when you come out of this phase, you'll become more strong, more better, and more focused on yourself. It's okay if you still love him, but accept the reality. He's gone. He's no more in your life, and you don't need him. Focus on yourself. Just focus on yourself. During this process, his memories will distract you. I'll tell you my secret mantra to focus on yourself and move ahead in life. Whenever he came to my mind, I closed my eyes and repeated my secret mantra. I'll tell that later. Focus on yourself. Do what you love. Chase your dream. Develop your knowledge and skills. Love yourself, dear. Take care of your health. Keep yourself busy. Find some time for happiness. Keep growing and do more for yourself. Here comes the secret mantra. Whenever I got distracted by him, I closed my eyes and told myself, Dear, a coward doesn't deserve a brave woman like you. I used to repeat that statement whenever I needed it. I personally believe that he is a coward. That one statement has changed me a lot, has made a lot of positive changes in my life, gave me the strength to fight against his memories. And now I know my worth. A coward doesn't deserve me.